Hello friends, I'm Shahida and welcome to our different and amazing show Vastu, Harmony and You. Friends, Vastu not only a name, in fact Vastu is the science, and today we are going to discuss about Vastu and its different aspect. Apart from this, we will also take your mails, of course with solution, and for this we have in our studio world renowned Vastu Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. Dr. Batra, welcome to our show.
Hello to all.
Well friends, I want to tell you that if you have any kind of problem regarding Vastu, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers, which is 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Okay, Dr. Batra, here we received some mails, and our first mail is which is come from Hong Kong, sent by Archie, and he said, I am in building and construction line. Please let me know about where to fix the elevators and lift, as this information will help me a lot.
Well, Archie, mostly lifts or elevators are installed in apartments, shopping complexes, malls, corporate office. You have seen in some factories also, but nowadays lifts are also seen in the individual houses also. And for installing the lift, we need to provide a sump, or we need to dig a pit, and pit and sumps are not allowed in southwest, south and west. So, avoid fixing the lifts in southwest, west and south sides just because it is not correct. Also, do not install in the corner of the plot, that is southwest, northeast, southeast and northwest. It can be installed in east and north, but be sure that the highest portion of the building should be southwest by erecting a room or stairs or by other means, just because east and north should not be higher, heavier than the southwest. But if you have to place the lift in the west south direction, you can start the lift from the first floor and keep elevators from ground floor to first floor.
Okay, Dr. Batra. Well, Archie, I must say, I'm sure definitely you got your answer. Well, Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, and which is sent by Smita from Germany, and she said, myself is Smita and now I am based in Germany, and we have bought a plot here and we are going to construct the home. Please guide me from where the digging should be started and from where should I start the construction. Please help me out.
Well, Smita, when I was in Germany, I came to know that there are more row houses. So, as per your map, for construction of any house, commercial complex or any type of building, start digging the foundation from northeast, then go towards east and then north. Thereafter, go to southeast, then to northwest and then southwest. The last digging area should be southwest. And as you have asked about where to start the construction to, so now start filling the foundation digs with concrete pillar from southwest and then move towards south, then to west, then to east, then north and finally at last to northeast. Same you need to take care while constructing the first floor, second floor, third floor and so on. I hope you have got the answers, Smita. So you can start up with these directions and you will find it good.
Okay, Dr. Batra, and well, Smita, you should follow all the direction which is suggested by Dr. Batra. And Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, which is from Switzerland and sent by Charlotte Winnie. And she said, this year I celebrated my birthday and one of my friend gifted me a very nice and expensive set of knives. I came to know that it is not good. Please let me know. Is that true? It's a kind of, illusion also. So please suggest her.
Dear Charlotte, belated happy birthday. Well, this is very true. Whomsoever have told you that it is very true that giving and accepting any sharp objects is bad feng shui. So, do not give sharp object as gift, as they are bad gifts. When giving a sharp object as gift, you are actually hurting the relationship you have with the person who receives it, since this object would cut and damage the bond existing between you and that person. Sharp objects include knives, scissors, swords, nail cutter, forks, sharpener, blade, shaving blade and other similar object which cuts and damages.
Bilkul.
And now I hope you are more clear about the gifts not to be given and not to accept. So, take care while giving gifts and accepting them also.
Well, Dr. Batra, this is really informative thing and I am going to also keep these things in my mind. Well, take up our next mail, which is sent by Robin from Dubai. He said, my business is to construct apartment. The map I am sending consists 100 flats from the past 2 months. The tables has completely turned against me. I am going to under financial crisis, labor problem and land litigation too. Please let me know the reason and the remedy too.
Robin, I have thoroughly gone through the map you have sent to me. As you started your project with boring, which is known as water sump or borewell too, which is in southwest. This is really a blunder mistake, I must say to you. So, what you need to do is, well, I will start up with this, that as borewell plays a important role in Vastu, as it gives 100% good and bad results, that to be immediately. So, wrong borewell spoils the future and life of the inmates and they have to suffer with financial losses and ill health. Their stability will lose day by day. So, avoid it in southwest. The borewell, sump, boring or any water tank, underground water tank, it should not be in southwest, south and west. So, again I come up now what you need to do. You need to close the borewell which you have digged in southwest. Again I repeat, you need to close the boring, borewell, sump, whatever you have digged in southwest. Make a borewell in northeast. Again I repeat, you have to close that borewell in southwest and you need to dig a borewell in northeast, north and east. After doing this borewell and closing the southwest one, you will get wonderful results.
And Robin, I am sure that you have got very prompt answer and you should follow all the direction and suggestion which is suggested by Dr. Batra and definitely you will get positive response. Well friends, here we take a short break, but you don't go anywhere. Keep watching Vastu Harmony and you.
Are you suffering from mental pressure, sleepless night, money problem, business losses, bothering debtors, losing respect, hindrance in marriage, disharmony in married life, family disputes, education and career worries, worries related to new house, chronic illness? Contact world-renowned Vastu, Feng Shui expert and Astro expert Dr. Rupa Batra, who has chain of satisfied clients in every field. from film stars, ministers, diplomats, corporate sector, businessmen to an ordinary man, not only in India but also in 18 other countries.
Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560 423 423, 9560 546 546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, association, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for pre-Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560 423423, 9560 546546. You can visit our website, that is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.